Hello guys, how's it going? This is Said Raza, and today we are going to be talking about how to insert different types of roofs in Revit architecture. Obviously this is going to be basic, so let's get started without further ado. Uh, I made these four walls, and let's look at it in 3D. This is how my walls are going to look like. They go from level 1 to level 2. Okay, the reason I'm saying level 2 because we are going to be designing the roof on level 2. It can't be on level 4 on level or level 3. It has to be on level 2 because my walls are ending on level 2. Okay, so I'm going to go to my level 1 and start designing the roof. First, I have to go to my architecture panel, go to roof command and roof by footprint. Now Revit is going to ask you where do you want to keep your roof. I would say level 2 because my walls end on level 2. Yes. So now Revit gives me a few more options to either select the walls to make the roofs, or I can just make my roofs myself on the walls. So in this case I'm just going to pick up the lines 1, 2, 3 and 4 and press OK. Once you press OK, go to your 3D, see there's a roof on it. What if I want to give it a little bit of an angle, because roofs are not all the time pretty straight. They have a slope because of rain and snow. So select the roof, go edit footprint, and you can see these four lines of the roof. Select for example this one and go to define slopes. It's unchecked, check it. Now Revit tells you that it's 30 degrees. Let's see how 30 degrees look like. 30 degrees is going to look like this. This is how much slope it gives you, 30 degrees. I do not want it 30 degrees. Let's say for the time being I would like to go 30 degrees. I want to connect my wall to the roof. Select the wall and attach top base. Click on it and click on the roof. Now my wall is attached to the roof. And I can do the same thing with all the walls. This, attach it. There's a shortcut, but I think go one by one would be easier for understanding. Here we go. This is how my structure is going to look like. Now I'm going to go back, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Here we go. Select my roof, edit footprints, and click on this line because it has got a right angle triangle beside it. It shows that it has got a slope. Select it and change the angle either from here or from the properties panel. Change it to, let's say, 12 degrees. Press enter, press OK, and here we go. The slope is now way less than 30 degrees. Okay, this is all about the slope roof. This roof is also called shed roof. Now I'm going to change the design of the roof. Press select the roof and delete it. I'll go back to my level 1 and then make the roof again. This time I'm going to go with the rectangle and give it an offset. Offset means a distance, an extra kind of like extra distance. Make it 0.5 meters. So wherever you select, it's going to go beyond the line, which is 0.5 meters. For example, I'm selecting this, but it's going a little bit away from the structure. Okay, here we go. Press OK. Let's see how it looks like in 3D. Here we go. What if I want to change the shape of the roof? Select it and go to edit footprints. Now give these two slope. These two, I mean the left and right ones in this case. Select them, define slope, give it 15 degrees, let's say. Press OK, and that's how your roof is going to look like. I'm going to select it again, go edit footprint, and this time I'm going to select these two, uncheck define slope. I'm going to top and bottom, define slope, for example 7 degrees. Press OK, and that's how your roof is going to be looking like. It actually flipped from one side to another side. What if I want to give it a little bit more slope? Select the roof, edit footprint, select these two lines, let's say 18 degrees. press enter, select OK, and now we have got more slope. To connect the walls to the roof, select the wall. I can do one by one or I can do all, but in this case I'm going to be doing one by one. Let me show you once again, because this is a learning part. Select the wall, attach top base to the roof, and here we go. Do the same thing on all the walls. Third one, select the wall, attach top base to the roof, and finally the fourth one. Here we go. You can always play around with the roof, go edit footprint, like for example delete this line, delete this line, delete this line, delete this line, go top, make an odd shape. An odd shape. By odd shape I mean you can go here and give it an angle like here, and go straight again and give it an angle like here. I'm just making it here, and then you can extend the line to here. So for example, I want to give this part of the roof and this part of the roof an angle, define slope, go 15 degrees. Okay, and let's see how my roof is going to be looking like. Here we go. But if I want to give it a little bit more slope, we'll go this line and this line, select both of them. If you select one of them and press Ctrl, select this one, give it, let's say, 30 degrees of an angle. Okay, here we go. That's how my roof is going to be looking like. You can always play around, as I said, and make different types of different shapes of roofs. It doesn't have to follow the rules and regulations all the time. It's a learning opportunity, so learn as much as you want. Uncheck the define slope and keep it like straight without any slope. There's one more thing I want to talk about, the slope of the roof. If you select the roof, Revit gives you a bunch of options what you want to do. In this case I'm going to be selecting add a point right here. Add a point means that either you want to raise that point on the roof or make it go deeper. I'm going to add a point, let's say right, where should I go? Here. I added one point, press escape, and once you hover over the roof, click on the roof and select this tiny square. Go go modify sub element and select this one. You see from blue it turns yellow. Click on it and you see the 0 here. Click on the 0 and make it, let's say, 1 meter high. Press 1, hit 1, press enter. That's okay. And you see that's how your roof is going to be looking like. It has a little bit of a slope, but if you want to give it another slope, click on the roof, add a point, let's say here, and press escape, click on the roof again, modify sub elements, and hover over this tiny box. It turns from blue to yellow. Click on it, and then you can actually raise it from these arrows. Raise it or bring it down, whatever you want to do. Now it shows -1. Let's keep it -1 this time and see how it looks like. Press escape a few times, and there you go. You see, this is a little bit raised and this is going down. That's how you can play around with the roof. Let's add one more point. Select the roof, add a point, let's say here, press escape, go back to roof, modify sub elements, click on the tiny blue button and raise it to anything you want. 5. Press escape and see if this is how your roof is going to be looking like. Abstract, totally abstract. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to comment or ask me.